repurposed denim, dead stock fabrics, locally handmade. These are the types of garments Maggie Huturuk Eddy has included in her latest collection, unveiled at New York Fashion Week. The Indonesian-born designer, who started her career in the US, saw firsthand the harmful impact the fashion industry can have and decided to lead by example.
No.
If I'm going to be designing a collection and I have this platform that maybe been watched, for some people around the world, this is New York Fashion Week, I'm going to use it to speak up and to say something.
In the fickle world of fashion, trends come and go. But sustainability is a big buzzword at this New York Fashion Week and seems to be more than just a passing fad.
Taiwanese brand Oclick also showcased their use of recycled materials like leather made of down sediment. Fashion producer Jessica Min Ah held a catwalk at JFK Airport that highlighted a global sustainable supply and delivery chain. And designer Zero Waste Daniel, who creates clothing from leftover material, held a so-called fashion funeral for his immersive show.
Sustainability is actually things that we can maintain doing at a certain rate. And it's really important to realize that we can't maintain producing fast fashion and apparel at the rate we are. There aren't enough resources on Earth.
Daniel sources his material from FabScrap, a New York-based company that works with over 400 fashion brands to collect textile waste material, which is then sorted and resold. It's no secret the fashion industry has a large environmental footprint. Nearly 3/5 of all clothing winds up burned in incinerators or dumped in landfills, according to the New Standard Institute, a fashion industry sustainability group. The group also estimates more than 8% of global greenhouse gas emissions are produced by apparel and footwear makers.
I think the fashion world is starting to pay attention to this issue because at this point it's like do or die, both like in terms of life on Earth and also in terms of fashion brands, because consumers really do want to know that the money they're using is not making the world worse. It's really important to them, and it's especially important to Gen Z, who's about to have the most buying power of any generation. They're very socially conscious. They really want to know that what they're buying isn't bad for the planet.
The industry is now starting to question the entire fashion ecosystem. In January, organisers of Copenhagen Fashion Week announced they're launching an environmental action plan that will require brands to meet a range of targets or face exclusion from the show schedule. If designers like Eddy have their way, New York and other fashion capitals will follow suit, showing it's on trend to be sustainable. Jade Barker, TRT World, New York.